Here we have two kind of redfish. This is a blue-wing redfish, and this is a hung snapper. We have him green inside with shadow behind here. As we say again, we fish don't touch foil. But you see anywhere I smoke and fire. Oh my God. Yeah, morning, welcome to Trinidad. Trinidad, big welcome, morning, Bodow. Nice. As I can see, the two of them look like all look like redfish. But this is a hung snapper and this is a blue wing. But just call them all redfish. As I see you again, this is the as I don't clear the blue wing, this is the hung snapper. You see how pretty and nice she is. She has some nice colors on her side of her cheeks here. She has some black going across, she has some black by her tail. You see how she flare out nice? She has a nice little whiskers here. And so she pretty. They meet like chalk, white like that. See how she nice all in the color? This is they call her hung snapper. The teeth in front is like one of them doors. So she see how the whole jaw closing together like this. And when she go to eat, it's how the whole jaw automatically comes out. That they call it a hung snapper. You see the difference how she skin open? You see the difference? You close them back up and you just go back in like a snail, back inside. Sometimes you go on the beach, you get plum head, you get wild yak, you get American red, you get hung snapper, you get carrot, you get salmon, you get cavalli. Wherever you go and meet that day, that's where you go work. Customers have a favorite. My customers especially like kingfish and redfish and salmon. And see my barracuda, they love it. Me? My favorite fish is tawa. Tawa. If I roast tawa in front of your customers, tawa, what is that? So I just roast that for me to eat. That's a special fish. That fish is real sweet too bad. It's like milk. So what is that stonefish? Just like all this is stonefish, yeah? But remember that I say get your fish head properly, scrape your fish head good. You don't want to get no scale while you're eating. When you get in this fish, more tougher than the rest to come out. I don't know why this gill does be so hard to come out. Chop out the piece of nose in front here. Call this style the butterfly style. You can take out all the guts from here. You see how the meat white? You see there's no bone here, with the center bone right here alone. And I go send them for the marinator again in the back and show you marinated, wash it, marinate, and we put them up on the grill. But a few minutes again. You see how this one will be done? Hung snapper style. Yeah? How we does good? Here we have the nice hung snapper here. You understand? See him? We have him green inside with shadow behind here. Yeah, this is one of the process after we done wash and season it up. We sprinkle with a little salt, the all-purpose sauce, with a little carrot on it as we go along. Jenny know what she's doing. She's a right hand, but she's using she left hand, and you know what's going on. That's what we're talking about. As I say again, there's some customers who want cheese and some doesn't want cheese. When you come in front, say what you want and say what you don't want, and we'll take care of you to the back. As we say again, we fish don't touch foil. We just use a lot of different things here. We use the foil as a vessel. We wrap it in a way that we just seal the fish so the air is not trapping inside. So we don't have to be flipping the fish left, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah? This is Kareem, that's being front here. As I say again, the business is about not only about me, it's about me, my family, and everybody. We just come together to make it work. As I say again, this is Kareem inside here. He's the guy that's be doing most of the dressing and prepping of the boxes inside here. Most of the time you come, you ain't gonna meet me, you're gonna meet this guy and this young lady inside here. Yeah. See anywhere I smoke, I fire. So as I chuck him up there, you go smoke up a little bit. And I done chuck him, you don't smoke up, you just light up, boom. You want to know what ignite. But it's like that. Easy. So we snapper is almost finished. Right? You see how the foil automatically just Just swell for yourself. And semen going all along. Oh my God. Bang! Shelling! Bodow, sir! Come in and try this, Sean. Come and try this now. Cameraman, you pick him up here. This is just the fish, and fish, no side orders, no cricks, nothing. So we're going to let my brethren and them taste this fish and tell me what's going on here. I'm sorry, we had to cut your video here right now. The cameraman is going to try this and then after we get back there and get your comments. Bodow, shelling. Watch that funk snap, I just lingo there now, man. Okay?
Bodow boy, best up. That's all you're moving with me, right? You put cheese on this?
Come on.
Yes, boy.
Come on.
But then we put
Hello.
cheese in here, Ronnie. Yeah, but I didn't.
You didn't know which had cheese? Mr. Ronnie, we invented it, let's just rent it.
Yes. No. Yes, boy, he's put cheese on all fish?
All fish.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's only how he doesn't get a customer and say you don't want no cheese on the fish.
But he didn't know, so he had no way he said he didn't want cheese.
But he didn't come with that taste, but that day. The difference today.